Hello, I'm Alejandro Saksuk, CEO at Solontech, and I have very important information for you. If you're a citizen developer, you're going to enjoy this. This is part of a series of app building videos that we're going to release so you get a chance to understand what is a citizen developer, what is low-code platforms, and how can you leverage them for your business. What is a citizen developer? A citizen developer is basically people that work for companies that have no formal training in software development. They just dare to create solutions for the company, even though that they don't have any training in software development, or perhaps they have very few of it, but they dare to create solutions. So that's why we call them citizen developers, because they're professionals, they know a lot about their field, and they know very specific bottlenecks, issues that could be solved with a custom app. Previously, custom software development was delegated to a software team that worked within companies or external software teams as well. But priority was given to either existing software or software that it was too important to delegate it. Therefore, if there was a specific workflow that had to be automated, they have to wait in the queue while the IT department or software development department could have time enough to develop it, and risking that they was never developed at all. So that's how citizen developers start playing around with these platforms such as Knack, Database, and Caspio, developing the solution themselves, no having to wait for or queuing up for the development department. They can do the solution themselves. So that is one of the key reasons why low-code is now growing so fast, because everybody can do it. Low-code has emerged as a big player in the industry. According to Gartner, there will be more citizen developers than actual traditional software developers by 2024. Citizen developers could be anyone. I mean, it doesn't have to have a formal title of being a software developer or a system engineer. So that's why there's more people that can do the low-code work than actual professionals that have been graduated from a software field in order to do the development work. When to use a low-code platform? Basically, you can use a low-code platform anytime. Some of them is like optimizing customer experience. For example, you want to provide customers with the ability to track orders, or when you want to have a portal so they can find information about your products or services which are fed by the database. That is a good use case. When you need to move away from a spreadsheet-based workflow, that is a typical example of when it's a good time to move on. Or when you want to migrate to the cloud, remember that low-code is all web-based, so everything's stored in cloud servers. When not to use it? Low-code does have some difficulties when you have to have live synchronizations with other systems, like live data, or when you have complex algorithms as well. Complex algorithms have to be coded in, and perhaps is not the best place to code in a low-code platform. You may need to code it outside as a service, and from the low-code you will consume that service. Also, when you need fast performance app. Fast performance is something that is hard to achieve with low-code, because remember that low-code is just an extra layer between you and the database. Remember that low-code, it helps, but it's not the ultimate thing. You have to have some planning. You have to, or hopefully, have some wireframe, some design before you engage into the actual development. So at the time when you go to a low-code platform, you know what you're going to be developing. If you feel you're getting stuck with your development of your app, you can always contact a professional IT team to help you improve what you already started. If you have any questions or you want to know something extra about this platform, leave us a question. Remember that we are partners of Caspio Database and NAC, so we have lots of training among them. We develop products, so we have a lot of experience too. If you need any help building your app in a low-code platform, you can get in touch with us. Our team is made up of certified developers. We have product owners, back-end, front-end developers, quality assurance analysts. We have the full team, including designers, which they know how to develop in low code, so we can help you on this. We also invite you to read about our blog. We constantly publish information and we create content on how to make better use of this platform and IT content in general. So stay tuned for more updates about this.